Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now that you clearly understand what deductible and copay mean, let's move on to another very important and often misunderstood term in United States healthcare, which is coinsurance. So, what exactly is coinsurance? In simple terms, coinsurance is the percentage of the medical bill that you and your insurance company share after you've paid your deductible. Yes, you heard that right. Coinsurance starts only after your deductible is met. Let's make it super easy to understand. Imagine your health insurance plan says your coinsurance is 20% and your insurance will pay 80%. That means for every covered medical bill, you will pay 20% and your insurance company will cover the remaining 80%, but only after you've already paid your deductible for that year. Let's understand this with a clear and simple example. Suppose your deductible is $1,000 and your coinsurance is 20%. You go to the hospital and get treatment worth $5,000. First, you'll pay your full deductible of $1,000. Now the remaining amount is $4,000. From this $4,000, you'll pay 20%, which is $800. That's your coinsurance share. And your insurance company will pay the remaining 80%, which is $3,200. So, in total, you'll pay $1,800, your $1,000 deductible plus $800 coinsurance. That's how coinsurance works. It's the amount you pay after meeting your deductible. Now, here's something very important you should remember. Coinsurance continues until you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, which is the highest amount you'll pay in a year. Once you hit that limit, your insurance covers 100% of your covered medical expenses for the rest of the year.